Let's program a 2023 Pacifica. Push start. Let's program this vehicle with the 608. Here we go. Okay, typically you know that we got to plug in the 608. We still got to do that, but we are going to do this a totally different way. We have to, instead of plug into the OBD here, we got to plug in back here behind the passenger seat. Let me show you what I'm talking about. First, we're going to go in this back door right here. And then behind the seat, we are looking for this little panel right there. Let's pop this panel open like so. And this is what we are looking for. Our star connector. There it is. So here you go. Plug in that star connector just like that. We're gonna have to run this star connector cord all the way up to the OBD. Plug him into the OBD. Plug in our JVC here. And we're connected. That button one time, 2 times. Get that dashboard activated. Let's go to the immobilizer. Chrysler. Auto detect. Let's read that VIN number. 23 Pacifica Smart Key. Yes, sir. Let's go to hot function. Smart key learning. Let's hit that start button. And we're going to hit OK. Turn the ignition off. Turn the hazards on. Say OK. 1 to 10 minutes. And that's what we were waiting for, the password. Do we want to add more keys? Yes. It says hold this near the center console for 60 seconds here. So let's just drop it down in here, hit OK. That looks pretty close to the center console. Now it looks like it's programming. We'll find out. They want us to press and release the unlock button. There we go. Successful learned. Do you want another one? No. Emergency flashers are already on. Let's hit the lock and unlock button, see if it works. There's lock. Ooh,